FlexStone Shave Shelf provides a solid, non-slip surface on which to rest your foot while shaving. Installation of the shave shelf is simple. Make sure to follow these steps carefully for best results. All you will need to install your shave shelf is a tape measure, a caulk gun, adhesive, and silicone. Installing the shave shelf should be done after the FlexStone shower walls have been installed. Be sure to remove the protective masking from the shower walls before installing the shave shelf. First, select the desired location for the placement of the shave shelf. Choose a height that feels most comfortable to you. This is typically between 6 to 18 inches from the floor. Once the location has been selected, perform a dry fit to make sure the shave shelf fits snugly into the corner of the wall surround. You'll be able to fill in any small gaps with silicone as part of the last step of installation. Next, apply Performance Pro adhesive to the foam on the back side of the shave shelf using several beads of adhesive. Be sure to avoid the edge of this shave shelf so that adhesive does not squeeze out and create a mess when installing the shelf. Next, apply a bead of Performance Pro 100% silicone to the back corner of the shave shelf along the white foam. This will help prevent any water from running behind the shave shelf. Now, install the shave shelf at your desired location by simply pressing the shelf into the corner of the walls. The adhesive is tacky enough to hold the shelf into place while the adhesive cures. After securing the shave shelf to the shower walls, wait at least 3 hours before moving on to the next step. This will allow the adhesive time to set up, so the shave shelf can remain steady while the silicone is applied. The last step is to seal joints with Performance Pro 100% silicone. Make sure to seal all joints along the outside of the shave shelf to prevent any water from finding its way behind the shelf. If you have any further questions regarding the installation of your shave shelf, you can always give us a call at 1-877-941-3662 for help with any issues.